To install the new 66-inch strut accessory extension kit with the original Dynatite strut kit, first install the 4 strut locks into the open lip side of the original 36-inch strut kit. The neoprene side will be down and the locks will be on each end of the strut. Hand tighten them once they are in place. There are 2 cable attachment options in the strut kit: an eyelet cable attached with a 2-inch wood screw, or a threaded stud cable attached to a dual wood hanger. Position and secure the 4 cables. Once the cables are in place, push down on the release pin and insert the cable into the lock. Tighten the strut locks once they are in the desired position. Next, install the 4 strut clips into the open side of the 66-inch shallow strut of the extension accessory kit. There will be 2 on each of the strut. Then take the 66-inch strut and snap the strut clips into the suspended 36-inch strut, 2 on each side, forming an H. It is now ready for the equipment install.